It's one of the conflicts between China and America, with Huawei sitting right in the middle of it in relation to the 5G communications equipment, because of the concern that 5G communication will carry that backdoor which will give rise to industrial espionage. The more I look at these events in this perspective, you can actually see the political aspect on the AI and the chip aspect. I was reading about this, okay, and something similar has happened in the past over encryption machines post 1945. So there's a company called Crypto AG that used to provide encryption during the war. Post-war, it carried on providing encryption machines for individual countries to discuss privately amongst themselves. And later on, much later on, it was actually found out that there was a backdoor that, let's just say, one key country had. And so it puts a perspective that organizations have to be very careful about which tech stack that they take up, right?
I just want to go back to the point about the 5G, because if we break this down, I mean, you have a technology stack and AI sitting on top of the technology stack. So you've got algorithms, you've got data, you've got energy, and you've got applications, right? So energy is actually needed to, power the chips, the application and so forth. So if these components are indigenous, then you have full control. When you talked about 5G, the reason America was, let's say, uncomfortable with the, Chinese technology, because 5G networks allow potentially your competitor or your adversary to mine data. And what does AI need? If we're in this quest for AI supremacy, then AI algorithms, they need to be fed data. So if you connect the 5G with Chinese One Belt, One Road initiative, which is serving somewhere between 69 to about, 90 countries, about 4 billion people, you can automatically see how much data is going to be potentially harvested, collected, and that can be fed into your AI models, which then gives you an incremental edge. No, but it gives you a tremendous edge over your competitor in this race for AGI.